Here's what you'll find at our new exclusive that you won't find anywhere else. Timeless design, both inside and out. Hi, I'm Kyle with the C-Jack team at Compass in the Hamptons. This is 325 Mitchell Lane in Bridgehampton, and I am standing in the center of trifecta living, where your dining, your entertaining, your cooking are all here within reach and within view. Another thing unique to this very special home, over 1,500 square feet of true multi-season outdoor living. And these vistas are all courtesy of one of the Hamptons' most sought-after landscape architects. And so look at this. It's a screened-in, heated porch. You can enjoy this 3 or even 4 seasons long. And all of it overlooking this beautiful privet and your private 50-foot gunite pool. Here we are at the poolside cabana, where it's always just a little bit cooler than it is anywhere else. And it's been so thoughtfully integrated into the rest of these gorgeous grounds here at 325 Mitchell Lane. There's no other way to say it. This is like being at one of the world's finest resorts, except you can have it for your very own. I'm Kyle with the C-Jack team at Compass in the Hamptons, helping you make the Hamptons your home.